In this video, I'll be explaining how to organise your inbox. First, you will need to create a label. Labels can be thought of like folders from Windows with a bit of added functionality. To do this, expand the list of existing labels by clicking More Labels, then clicking Create New Label found at the bottom of this pane. Doing this will open up a dialog box that will allow you to name your label as well as choose where you want to nest it. Nesting is the term used to describe a folder inside of a folder, or in this case a label inside of a label. To nest a folder, click the drop-down menu and select the label which you want to place your label inside of. Similar to Russian nesting doors on Windows, you can nest several labels inside of one another. One key difference, however, between a traditional folder and a label is that you can label an email as. This will cause it to appear both in your inbox as well as the label. Additionally, because you are only labeling an email, you can add several labels to a single email and it will be present in all labels. Alternatively, you can move emails into labels. This will cause them to disappear from your inbox and be moved into your label. To label an email, you can highlight it using the checkboxes on the left, and then click the label icon in the toolbar at the top. Here you can select which labels you want your email to appear in. You can also label an open email by clicking the same icon in the toolbar when it is open. If, however, you want to move an email, the process is very similar. Select the emails you wish to move and then click the folder icon in the toolbar at the top. This will list all the labels you have created and clicking one will move the selected emails to the desired folder. Just like labeling an email, you can move an open email as the label button is present in the toolbar even when the email is open. Additionally, you can set up Gmail to automatically filter select emails into created labels. This can be used to label an email, move an email, mark it as read, mark it as spam, mark it as important, or delete it, to name a few. To do this, select the emails you wish to filter and click the More button in the toolbar. Here you can see a button called Filter Messages like these. Clicking this will open up a dialog menu where you can choose what the filter will look for in an email. After you have entered the relevant aspects, you should create a filter with this search. This will allow you to choose what Gmail does with its filtered emails.